Did you know that your Ford vehicle may be equipped with Evasive Steering Assist, which can help you avoid potential frontal collisions when steering may be necessary? Let me tell you about it. Evasive Steering Assist works in conjunction with the Pre-Collision Assist with Automatic Emergency Braking System, which uses a forward-facing camera and radar to constantly monitor driving conditions and can alert you of potential risks to help you avoid them. In a situation where your vehicle is rapidly approaching another vehicle from behind, this system automatically calculates the risk of a collision based on speed and distance. First, you'll receive an audible warning and a visual alert on your information display. Then, if no action is taken, the system will begin to apply the appropriate amount of brake force needed. If a collision is unavoidable by braking alone, you can activate the system by initiating an evasive maneuver. It can then provide the appropriate amount of steering torque needed to help you avoid the vehicle in front of you. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.